Hi and welcome to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a school clock. He is joining the stapler, the backpack, and the crayons that are all excited to be going back to school. If you haven't picked those up yet, check out the last couple of videos. You can find them there. There's also some paper on Amazon from Miss Kate that would go along really cute with these SVGs. I will put a link in the description box below. So I was having issues with these little part of the clock. I was putting them on and taking them off again. I realized afterwards I was putting them on upside down. So I was confusing myself. So just ignore me trying to figure that out. So I did the It's That Time Again first to save some time. It's not hard. It just takes a while. After that, it just kind of flows as long as you have those little pieces not upside down like I did. So check out those other Happy School supplies. They look really cute together. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Hit the like button. That really helps me out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't done that. And I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.